What's up guys, welcome to my channel by Shad. In today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to age your midsoles with the marker from Slickies. I will put the link in the description as below as always. Make sure y'all follow my socials and subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, comment down below, show your boys some support. So I'm going to be doing this on some customs I did a while back. They're Air Force Ones, obviously. You can do this on Nike Dunks, any Nike, Adidas, Jordans, any Jordan. I know Jordan 1s. A lot of people like to age the soles or paint them a different color, etc. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. These are some split customs I did. Miami colorway a while back. It's a color, Miami's, like I said. And then the other one is the opposite. So I'm going to work with this one, and just going to show y'all one. Don't need to show y'all both. Y'all get the idea. Y'all are smart. So first step, you need acetone or nails polish remover to prep the surface. It's just like painting, to prep the surface of the midsole to get any protective coat that Nike put on the shoe when it came from the factory. So I have a cotton ball. I'm just going to get the cotton ball with some acetone on it. Doesn't have to be like dripping, but just want to go over it. And if you are working with a shoe that you painted, just be careful, because you get it obviously on the shoe, the part that you painted, it could come off or smear. So I'm just doing that. Then after I do that, I'm going to let it air dry. And while I let it air dry, I am going to, here's the stainer, Sneaker Guard Midsole Aging Stainer. This is from Slickies, like I said. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right. Like I said, I'll put the link down below. I'm going to prep this. So in order to use this when you first get it, you are going to have to push your cap down to release the paint. Mine already have paint, but I'm just going to make sure it's not like over drenching. So when I mean you're going to have to push it down, you're going to have to literally push it down. And then you'll see the paint come down. Well, the stainer in this case. Just be careful. Make sure you don't get it on your hand and then touch a white part, because it will stain that. So I think I'm good. If it's too dark of a color before it dries, it usually take an hour. You can wipe it off with a napkin. So let's get to work. Alright, after y'all give it one coat, you can, like I said, get excess stuff off if you want. I like it so far. You can put another coat on within an hour, give it time to dry. I like it, it's pretty dope. It's different, makes the shoe stand out a little bit more. See if the light will help. Nope, the brightness really won't help. So yeah, that's what it looks like now. Like I said, you can go darker or lighter, and it won't come off. It's a stain on the shoe. You can do it as well on the shoe, like I said, on leather. It works on leather. The midsole rubber, the bottom. So yeah, that was all for this tutorial. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We almost at 500 subscribers. I appreciate all the love. Make sure you like the video, comment, support my channel, hit the notification bell, and let me know if y'all want to see any more aging sole markers for different customs I have, or just any Nike Dunk or Jordan shoe. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.